I'm here to tell you about WebTechKitchen's new OpenAI plugin. It works with any CMS. It works with .NET, it works with Ruby, it works with Drupal, WordPress. It's basically a RESTful API. I have a Drupal plugin, and you can see it working here in Drupal on my blog. I have it here asking about some information that's in my blog. I put that into the back end, all of the 6,000 nodes that are here, and I say, tell me about Drush. It gives you a nice little write-up with a ChatGPT 4 level of response, has all of the links to the data that it's talking about. It opens up into a new window real nice. And then you can see it has memory here. It doesn't say anything about Drush, but it says, can I log in as any user using this utility? It doesn't know what utility it is without memory, of course, so it says yes. This is how you log in with Drush as any user, and it has memory even through this RESTful URL where you're getting ChatGPT data and an AI assistant against your private data. So you can see here all the back-end nodes that are part of the system. There are about 6,000, and the AI assistant here lets you talk to your website and talk to your data. Thanks very much for your time. Just a short little demo here, and please be in touch at info@webtechnologykitchen.com and get your own AI chatbot for your site so you can talk to your data.